Take a look at this front-end example. Here we are using Vue to render an array of articles. The data is currently hard-coded. Let's look at the steps necessary to move the data over to Orbitype and then fetch it with the API. First, let's remove the hard-coded data. Our list is now empty. Then create the same data in Orbitype. I've already went ahead and did this here. We have articles table with the alpha and bravo articles from before. Next, to load these articles via the API, you need to do a fetch call. In this example, we're using the Nox framework, which provides server-side event handlers. We can use one of these to do the fetch call on the server side. Use the post method and pass a header. To authenticate with the Orbitype API, you need to send the XAPI key header. Pass your API key, preferably stored in the environment file. Finally, using the body, you can pass whatever SQL query you want. In this case, we want to select all our articles. And that's all we need to do on the server side. We are now ready to connect to Orbitype. Back in the front-end component, let's use another fetch call. And this time we will use the event handler we just defined. Let's take a look at our updated front end. And as you can see, we now have the same situation as before, but the data is loaded from Orbitype. I can prove this to you by creating a new entry. And that's how you move hard-coded data to Orbitype and then fetch it with the API.